Today, let's learn how to actually remove our lock screen wallpaper in iPhone. Of course, if you're using an iOS device now, first of all, what you need to do is to check, rather, if we have a default wallpaper. So in order to actually check, let's go on Settings and let's head on to Wallpaper right down here over, and we'll just scroll a little bit on the downside and click on Wallpaper. Now here we can see two previews of our wallpaper is already up in our screen. So here we have the option, or rather the preview of our lock screen wallpaper over on the left side of the portion of the screen rather. And then we have the wallpaper of our home screen on the left portion of the screen, which is right here. Now what we want to do for this tutorial is to actually remove the lock screen wallpaper so that it becomes default. So in order to actually do that, let's click on choosing New Wallpaper over here in the top portion of the screen. And then here we have the option to actually choose the default wallpapers, which is of course well built into the iOS software in order to actually change the lock screen wallpaper rather to default. Let's just click on the default wallpapers over here and basically choose from the list and many different types of colors, and which also has the preview of the dark mode and the light mode as well. So I think this calls out the best for me. So once you have chosen this and click on your preferred settings, if you want to put it in a live photo mode or if you don't want to. So once you're happy with that, click on Set. Click on Set a Lock Screen so that you can set it into the lock screen and not on the home screen rather. So once you want, of course, to do that, click on Set the Lock Screen and its setting, and then it's done. So now once you head on to your lock screen, of course. So let's turn this device off, turn it on again. And then here we have the default lock screen already applied on our devices. Of course, without the use of any other third-party or downloaded photos over on the internet. Basically, this is how you remove your old lock screen into the default one as just as what the brand new iPhone would look like because, well, of course, since it's brand new, basically there is no lock screen. So you just set it back to the default and reset it to the way it looked like from the very start. So that's it for this tutorial, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one.